The iPod 180. Take two. That's the slide out. It's got a propane tank cover and the battery. This storage compartment goes all the way across. It's not very deep, and a little bit that way. This storage department is relatively small. That's just kind of like on the back side of the restroom. It's got one step. It goes in. That's a view of the little kitchen area. Take my shoes off. I got all the lights on in here. They're all LED lights. There's the sink. Stove. It's recessed. It's got a magnetic, and that is pretty good. I got it from Harbor Freight. It holds that stuff up there when traveling and bouncing. Got the three-way fridge and the convection microwave oven. It's clean. The bottom does have a crisper that I will clean up and put back in there. So it's clean. And here is the oven. I don't know if I've even ever used it, maybe once or twice. So you've got under sink storage, 2 drawers. Then you got a small storage up there. That's the bed. It's got a memory foam mattress, the TV, and the Jensen stereo, whatever. And you've got the little tiny dinette. It's a 2-person. This table goes down, and you put the cushions out. And I would say 5'2" could sleep on it, but not a very wide person. Curtains. This could be the pantry or a closet. It's got 2 drawers, and let's see. I just put stuff that I maybe want to get from the outside. So this, you can see, you can take those shelves out and hang clothing, or what I did is I pretty much folded my clothing and put it up there, or you can use it as a food pantry. Here is the overhead storage. And here's the bathroom door. That is going to be a little bit hard to take video of because I can't get very... So there's the toilet. Right there is a little bit of storage here. Plus the storage in there. Then you got this little goodie thing that you can put stuff in. Here's the lavatory with storage under there. The mirror. And I don't know if I can get in here good enough to get the shower, so there's the shower. Shower curtain is in good shape. And that's about it. You can't store too much under there because the outlet to the furnace, the heat comes out a vent right out under there. But you can in the summertime. If you have hookups, I carry a little electric heater, and that just works wonderful in here because it's small. Got a little bit of storage underneath the refrigerator. You've got a drawer down there. And right here's the inverter and all the power sources. And that's pretty much it.